Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy crocheted beaded ideas. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts, as you can see. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I'm back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crocheted beaded ideas. Those ladies who love such type of crocheted beaded ideas, best top designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another. Every design is beautiful and trendy. Mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see in this my video. You can easily make these very beautiful crocheted beaded ideas if you know crochet work. If you want to buy these very beautiful stylish beaded ideas, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful crocheted beaded ideas. These websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.